Welcome back. Today I will perform sniffing attack using Wireshark. Specifically, we will use Wireshark's packet analyzer tool to find user ID and passwords of HTTP websites. Let's log into our system. Well, I've opened the browser to let you know that we'll be using test.php site again. Let's first minimize it. We'll use test.php one website to test credentials so that even while tutoring an attack I don't reveal any real credential. Let me start the Wireshark first. So I can start from either here or directly from the command prompt as well. Well, you might wonder what is network sniffing tool. So network sniffing tool are software specifically designed to hack into network to access data packets. Some popular sniffing tools are Awik, Wireshark, and SolarWind Network Packet Sniffer. The difference is that Awik is good for intelligent analysis for network packets, while we are using Wireshark because it's best if you need to look for protocol related data. So let's start with it. As you may see here, it is recording some data transmission. That's why the graph is being created. So here you have different types of uh, filter to choose. Like currently it's accessing and fetching the data from Ethernet 0. Let's start the Wireshark from here. Now we can just go to our website, sign up, and as you can see, sign up disabled. Please use the username test and the password test. So it's a kind of tutoring attack, thus we don't need to use any kind of real passwords. Don't save. It had been logged in basically. Now if you are logging into your system, I'm on your network and your network is not protected and I'm using the Wireshark, I can easily detect what credential you have used. For that I will just first of all stop the Wireshark. Now I apply a filter, but first you may see that there are various sources, like some are local LAN sources 192.168, while some are also from the real world thing, sources 44.228. Okay, let's first check what exactly is the IP of this website, right? So it might be easy for us to look. We can just ping and then find, right? Okay, so it is 44.228.249.3, and since we need to find actually through the HTTP protocol of uh, the credentials that have been used, we can also type HTTP here and put enter. Now you may see that HTTP 1.1200 OK text and HTML file in the information and here as well. And if I be here, you can see the IP 44.228.249.3 is matching here and here as well. So obviously this is our required file. Now to know what exactly we need here, we need the user and password, right? So whenever a data is being transmitted and Wireshark captures the packets, it actually captures in hexadecimal format. You may see here, right? If you scroll it down and up, you can see there are various hexadecimal letters, and those have been actually converted to the text. Like for this particular data, this particular line is responsible For this particular data, yes, like there are various lines, right? Now here you can see hypertext transfer protocol has two chunks. If I just expand it, it says like it basically represents what exactly the data have been transferred. But if we don't have much time, if we can't go through it, you can simply press right click, follow, and since it's HTTP protocol, we will just go through HTTP stream, and here we will be able to search and find what username and password have been used. Okay, wherever the red text occurs, kindly slow your search and read them carefully. You will be able to distinguish between the username and password that have been passed through that protocol. So here you'll be able to watch this thing. Uname refers to username and password is obviously abbreviated as pass. So both are test, and thus this practical ends here. Thank you. I always forget how to stop this.